next topic, we're seeing more and more Cybertrucks being crashed and damaged. But here is, I don't know if I would call this a nightmare, but we could call it a nightmare, depending on how you want to look at it, of a Cybertruck going through a repair process, and it's taking a little bit longer than maybe expected. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. So we're starting to see more accidents like this one where the Cybertruck is getting rear-ended, and it seems to be that this one held up pretty well. But of course, this is probably like a 10 grand repair order because of all the different bits and everything, and hopefully the battery isn't touched or anything like that. But it seems like it held up pretty well. But I feel like most cars getting rear-ended like this, most trucks maybe, would be in a similar look, maybe a similar damage for it. But still, really cool to see. But here, or unfortunately, not cool to see, but interesting to see all the different accident there. But here's an accident from Leo. He posted this on the Facebook group. It seems also very minimal as well, just a lower bumping there. You might as well just maybe roll with it. But I mean, I certainly get you want to fix your 100K, 120K truck. But here it is, update on CT repair. 1 month to get the appointment to bring in for estimate, 2 months for parts, repair maybe only 2 days, and the total cost at $13,000. Quote, can't wait to get my CT back, but warning for others who have about a long lead time. This was at Tesla's own collision center. There's 2 in the Bay Area. None of the other authorized body shops know how to fix the Cybertruck yet. If you're somewhere else in the US, your repair may take even longer. So maybe not necessarily a nightmare, but certainly an expectation if you do get into an accident with your Cybertruck, knock on wood. This is how long it might actually take. And I mean, it's really not that bad. I mean, I feel like most vehicles, most Tesla vehicles, you're going to be at least a month for repair anyways. So taking another month because it's a brand new vehicle and they're still even trying to ramp and produce these, I wouldn't say this is that bad of a situation at all. But still, nonetheless, unfortunate, and hopefully Leo and everybody was safe in that accident or in any accident with a Tesla Cybertruck.